It is sometimes said there are 5 things economists, central bank governors, and world leaders should know about Martin Wolf. This is nonsense. There are 6. Most columnists are lucky if they have one idea per column. A column is not a Martin Wolf column unless it contains at least half a dozen, preferably arranged in numbered lists. Martin not only packs more ideas into each column than any other columnist, he also has opinions on an incredibly wide range of subjects.
So the view that large surpluses and deficits do not matter is only true in theory.
And the problem, far from getting better, is getting worse.
We exist in an age where the banknote is moribund technology.
I'm a completely, utterly Apple person. Got my first Mac computer in 1984. I have staplers, too. Very important, because I still use paper. Not much.
This is so good.
Martin always states his mind. Martin is Davos man. This phrase, weakly used as a journalistic shorthand for attendees at the World Economic Forum, was in fact coined to describe Martin's side hustle, modeling Russian headgear. Martin is also a pioneer of data visualization. When Martin joined the FT, its idea of cutting-edge graphics looked like this. Now, it looks like this. And finally, Martin is a pioneer of audience engagement, bringing the FT's motto, without fear or favor, bracingly to life in the comments under its stories. Congratulations, Martin, from all your colleagues at the FT on this richly deserved Gerald Loeb Award.